Hi everybody, this is your favorite channel, Z Eden Stories Online Investments. Come Alet. So today we are going to discuss about Quicken Loans. Today we are talking. The topic is on American rendering company that renders money to people, like mortgage. They offer. They have so many types of loans, so many types of loans that you as a person you would want to get. So today we are talking about Quicken Loans. This is a company that provides services such as loans and mortgage to people. So they have varieties of different kind of types of loans. So loans type, they have a adjustable rate mortgage, and they have this one is for 30 years fixed and 15 years fixed. Then they have FHA loan, and then they have VA loan, and they have also USDA loan and jumbo loans. So without wasting much of your time, guys, today I just want to talk about these Quicken Loans, their motives, their campaign. My job is to let people know what this company is all about. So without wasting much of your time, we can go through the website. As you can see, this video was just edited for you guys to go through the whole process of knowing what this company offers. So let's go and check who they are. So they are going to tell us who they are, and then we shall find out more what their motive is all about. Bidding war, how to prepare and win, how to get a no down payment mortgage, first time home buyer programs. They offer all these services, you know what I mean. Loans and grants, they offer all these services. So as you can see on this video, they are saying that there are better way for our clients. We believe Simplicity they believe, they're saying that their services Simplicity makes things better for everyone. Naturally, we thought that the mortgage process could use some help in that department. So what they're trying to say is that their Simplicity makes things better for everyone, meaning they know your loans status. Like if you get a loan in a 24 hours status, they have a tool online to keep track of what we need from you, like what they need from you, what they are working on, and what's already done. So getting a loan online is now easier with Quicken Loans. You can apply and get a loan for as long as you're an American citizen, not just any other citizen, you know. So my job is to produce videos like this one, country by country, because I know my channel has been watched mostly in America, UK, and Netherlands, according to my channel analytics. So that's the reason why I've produced this video. The video talks about loans. So this company is based in America. So apply online. You know, applying online is very easy. This company has just made it easy for everyone to apply, especially if you're an American citizen, not just another person. Not me, not the other person. I'm based in other countries. I'm not an American. So Rocket Mortgage is the home loan, experience designed for you. Yeah, so you are one of the kind. Your mortgage should be too, and start an application to see what's possible. So applying, if you want to apply, they have two options on this one. There's what they call home purchase, and then there's what they call also the financing loan. So you can just go through their website. It's called Quicken Loans, and then you can just type in on Google and try to find out. So my job is to just promote them, as you can see for today, because I've seen so many people testifying that this company is legit. So there's no way I can be against them, but I'm not saying that you should put all your monies in it. You can invest some of the monies. You can get a loan, invest your monies into something else, something important. But again, the disadvantages of getting a loan, it means that you're going to you have to struggle a lot to pay debts, and then you have to wait for the years until you finish paying debts. So when getting a loan, be very careful with what you want to do with the money, because if you are going to get a loan out of proportion, then you spend that money carelessly, then you'll be in debts for the rest of your life. And then what will happen is that you'll be draining yourself, and you'll be start blaming yourself for getting that loan because you didn't know what you wanted to use it for. So when getting a loan, guys, be very careful. Make sure that you know what you want. So process of putting in control. Convenient online access makes it easier to achieve your financial and homeship goals. So when you get a loan, at least invest it in your education, invest it in your mortgage, or invest it in a house or something else, or in agriculture or anything else. Apart from this, do not spend your money carelessly. So get approved, apply online. That's what they're saying. Our streamlined application with your bank to get your accurate numbers first, and then you can get approved, see how much you are approved for, and then shop for homes and move forward with your refinance. Close your loan, use your to-do list to verify the details and get close fast. Manage your mortgages, make payments online, and put your mortgages to work for you. So I don't want to waste much of your time today. I want to talk about home purchase calculator and everything. They have everything on their website, as you can see. So find your new home. You can apply for a loan. They can buy you a property. They can buy you a mortgage. Then your money won't be wasted since you're still doing other things. So when it comes to rates, you have to check on rates just to know what their rates are and how much they are offering you to apply for. So they have a loan like for 30 years fixed. Interest rate is about 3.25%, which is called APR, which is about 3,654%. And then they have this one is for home purchase rates, not yet on refinancing rates. So they have a 15 years fixed interest rates, which is about 2.5%. APR is about 3.043%. Sorry, so same as the 30 years fixed is about the APR is about 3.654%. That's their rates about their mortgage. So today's mortgage rates, these are current mortgage interest rates for popular loans offered through Rocket Mortgage. To see how rates are calculated, select view legal disclosures. Your rate will be different depending on your credit score and other details. That's what they say. Applying for this, it will show different scores. So to get personalized rates and a mortgage recommendation designed for you, so you can choose. They have so many types of the interest and loans years you can choose. So like for 1 year change interest, it will be 0. Let me go in stages. For 30 years fixed interest is about 2.5 to 3.25%. Then APR is about 3.498%. So 1 day change interest rate is showing 0 since I haven't yet applied for that. I'm not an American citizen, so I can't apply. But I just want to let people know this company offers. I think somehow it's legit. Just invest with it. You can put all your dollars, your money in it. I believe so. Then they have a 15 years fixed. This is an online platform where you can apply for a loan online, not going to their offices. Just all you need is your bank to approve and then to give you that access. They have a 15 years fixed. Interest is 2.625%, and then APR is about 3.084%. 1 day change is 0. Then APR is 0.037%. So they have options. You can choose which one do you prefer to go with, and then they have different types of loans that you can that you feel like this one I can go for it, or this one no, I can go for it. So they have different types of loans. So be careful when you want to choose a loan. Then they have FHA, 30 years fixed, like I said. Then they have a graph. I'm sure in this video you've seen the graph, how their system works. and then they have what is the the different rates and the APR. So if you want to find out what is the different about so interest rate is the percentage you pay to borrow money from a lender for a specific period of time, and then the APR, it's annual percentage rate. Get this in your head, please. Includes your interest rates plus additional fees and expenses associated with taking out your loans. So I'll repeat again. What is the difference between interest rate and APR? So an interest rate is the percentages you pay to borrow money from a lender for a specific period of time, and then the APR is called annual percentage rate. Includes your interest rates plus additional fees and expenses associated with taking out your loans. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to follow the easy steps that I've just shown you on how to go about it when you want to get a loan. Then the last one I want to say is that should you choose the lender with the lowest rates, I would say yeah, somehow going for I would say going with the lowest rate might seem smart given much interest you pay over the life of a mortgage, but there are times when choosing the lowest rate might not make the most sense. Paying point is a good example. A point is money you pay upfront to get a lower interest rate on a mortgage. Say you don't have a lot of money saved to buy a home, then you may prefer to use your funds towards a down payment to get the home you want instead of a lower interest rate. So what's the most important thing than just the lowest interest rate is to get the right mortgage for your situation, and the lender who helps you to do that. So guys, don't forget. That's all.